In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Docs. This feature is incredibly useful whether you're looking to dictate text, transcribe notes, or simply want a hands-free typing experience. Let's dive into the process and get you started with voice typing. First, you'll need to open Google Docs. Begin by launching Google Docs in your Chrome browser. You have the option to open an existing document you've been working on, or if you're starting something new, go ahead and create a fresh document. This sets the stage for us to start using the voice typing tool. Next up, let's enable the voice typing feature. To do this, look at the top menu bar in your Google Docs window. You'll see an option labeled Tools. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Voice Typing. Once you do, a small box with a microphone icon will pop up on the left side of your document. This is the gateway to all your voice typing needs. If you're comfortable with the default language, you can skip this next step, but it's good to know that you can set the language for your dictation. Above the microphone icon, there's a language drop-down. Click on it and scroll through the list to find your preferred language. Setting the right language ensures that your words are transcribed accurately. Now comes the fun part, starting to use voice typing. To begin, simply click on the microphone icon. When it turns red, it signals that Google Docs is currently listening to you. As you speak clearly, maintaining a normal volume and pace, your words will be transcribed into the document in real time. It's almost magical seeing your spoken words transformed instantly into text. If you need to pause for any reason or you're finished dictating, just click the microphone icon again. It will turn black, indicating that the voice typing is paused. This way, you have full control over when Google Docs is listening. While you're using voice typing, you can take advantage of voice commands to make your workflow even smoother. For instance, saying commands like period, comma, new line, or even style commands like bold allows you to perform basic text edits and formatting without lifting a finger. Once you've wrapped up your dictation, it's a good practice to review the text for any errors. You may need to make some manual edits to ensure everything appears just as you intended. This final step helps polish the document and provides a clean version of your text. And there you have it, a full guide on utilizing voice typing in Google Docs. It's a fantastic tool that saves time on typing and is perfect for dictation and transcription tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy writing.